Welcome to Document Control Introduction. Let us start with purpose. The purpose of this document is to define the document management requirements, responsibilities, and processes for the MPTP program documents. Let us just keep it as an example. MPTP is my project in previous company, so just take it as an example. Instead of MPTP, you have some other codes or some other project names. So for the MPTP program documents, drawings, and correspondence, this includes the identification, control, review, issue, storage, and archiving of documents for the program. So here what we are defining in this process, that what is the purpose of the document management requirements, responsibilities. So on the project life cycle, we have to define a certain procedures to follow the proper flow of document. And because document control is the heart of the project, it flows information like heart flows the blood. The document control flows the information, so it is the core department of the construction. So here we have to manage documents, drawings, and correspondence. Like who's going to create the document? When a originator creates the document, it gives to document control. So he's going to check all the eligibility criteria of the document, whether it is okay on the standards or not. And then afterwards, he put the submittal and the transmittal, and he forward to other concerned person for their review. And when that concerned engineer or a person review the document, afterwards it will goes to the contractor or vice versa, right? And then they issue the document after completing all the formalities. And when it is finalized, we have to store it, and after some period we have to archive it for the program, the document. So all these procedures, it is written here, we are going to learn that. Okay, let us go further. The processes outlined in this document shall provide traceability of all documents, of all control documents. So here we are going to process the outline of this document shall be provide traceability. Means uh, uh, traceability, how we are going to trace the document. Traceability is the important term in document control, and we are going to trace according to their unique numbering system and the metadata. I will show you this in the further. I will show you all these things step by step. So like this, we are going to controlled documents, and this document describe the processes for receipt and issue of formal correspondence for the MPTP. So what we are processing for receipts and issue of formal correspondence for the MPTP include issue of design documents to the MMRTC or PMOC. MMRTC is my client before in one country, and PMOC is Program Management Office Consultant, and it is for their review at defined stages and the associated review comment and response cycle. So here in this process, we are going to create receipt and issue a formal correspondence, and including design documents to the client or consultant for their review at defined stages and the associated review comments and response cycle. So all the reviews, there is a standard review time in construction industry, that is 7 to 14 days. So after 14 days, document control needs to raise the red flag and inform the management to further push for the document reviews and their responses. And use of B, use of nominated IT applications for document control, which is applicable to the PMOC, PMCM, and the contractors, where the use of these applications has been instructed. So in document control, when contract documents made, they are going to set one document control platforms like ADMS. Suppose in IT application, they put in the contract that Aconex should be used during the life cycle of the project. Means everyone have